face it, creating engaging content can feel like an uphill battle, and content creation for SEO, well, that can be super challenging. But what if there was a better way? Say goodbye to content chaos and say hello to the Moonlit Platform. Combining the power of AI with a ridiculously easy-to-use visual editor to make SEO-enabled content creation a breeze. Write captivating blog posts, craft compelling social media updates, generate high-converting website copy, all within a single platform. Moonlit's AI assistant helps you every step of the way, suggesting relevant keywords, improving your writing style, and even generating multiple paragraphs of highly engaging and SEO-friendly content. Need a head start? Browse the library of professionally designed templates, covering everything from email newsletters to blog content and more. Just choose a template, customize it to fit your brand, and you're good to go. We really think you'll love Moonlit. Moonlit even provides 300 free credits to test and try out the system, and they offer competitive pricing packages that fit any budget. That's enough to experience the magic of AI-powered content creation firsthand. Moonlit is perfect for bloggers, marketers, entrepreneurs, and anyone who needs to create high-quality content consistently. No more struggling, no more wasted time, just amazing results. Ready to unlock your content creation superpowers? Visit moonlitplatform.com today and start creating amazing SEO content for free. Please share your thoughts in the comments about how it worked for you. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this.